may have seen this viral video of the new Jeep Wrangler rolling over in the small overlap front crash test. This may seem like a downgrade in safety compared to the previous model year from 2007 through 2017. However, if you look inside of the vehicle, the new Jeep Wrangler offers some protection from any structures to the side of the vehicle, seat-mounted side airbags, whereas the previous model did not offer any protection from side structures. The side crash test also had some better results for the 2018 to 2021 Jeep Wrangler. This is thanks to side airbags. The previous model was not a good performer as it offered little protection for the head. As you can see, the vehicle allowed for the dummy's head to fly super close to the barrier. Here's a close-up. In addition, the new Jeep Wrangler has a roof, head restraints, and seats that earn a good rating, whereas the previous model did not earn any good or acceptable ratings for these crash tests. Though the new Jeep Wrangler did earn a good rating in the side crash test, it did not offer adequate head protection for the rear passenger, so it's still not a good pick for safety. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, check out my music, and I'll see you later.